Have you ever wondered why Ape Labs lights have just one button on them, no menu, no LCD display, no DMX ins and outs? Well, there's very simple reasons behind this, and it's all in the engineering and the design. We're going to go through it and explain to you all the reasons and the benefits of these reasons right now. Are you ready to do it? Let's go. How you doing, everybody? My name is Justin Schwartz, and I'm here on behalf of Ape Labs USA, and today we are talking about the simplistic one-button design of Ape Labs lighting. Before we dive into it, make sure you're checking out Ape Labs at apelabsusa.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below, and also consider subscribing. We'd love to see you back here again. Now, as I mentioned in the open, there are some basic reasons and some real simple reasons as to why Ape Labs lights have just one button on them, and we're going to go through them now. All right, so reason number one, and I just want to once again, we'll show you the real simplistic design of what this is. You basically have one charging port here and one button. So the first reason why Ape Labs engineered their lights this way is durability. By eliminating ports, DMX ins and outs, LCD displays, menus, they're giving you less chance for things on these lights that will actually break down over time. So longevity and durability is a big part of why they're engineered this way. The less time you have to worry about your lights breaking down, the more time you can focus on your events and making your clients happy. And that's reason number one. Reason number two is effortless control. These two options will give you the ability to control all of your lights within the ecosystem. They're going to give you DMX-like programming. The ApeRemote gives you up to a 200-foot range. It gives you basic functionality. The next level app gives you even more than that, a 1-mile distance range. It gives you the ability to set scenes. It gives you the ability to control and see all of your devices at one time, and really gives you a more robust functionality and control option for all of your Ape Labs lights. You get professional control with a very easy to use and simplistic design, and everything is done outside of the light with one of these two options. Reason number three, by having these two options, you get DMX level control without the hassle. Whether you choose to use the ApeRemote control or you choose to use the Ape Labs app, what you're able to do is access the most important part of the Ape Labs ecosystem, which is the Ape Labs software. The Ape Labs software is what allows all the lights to work seamlessly together, what allows you to activate the one-button light show called music mode, and it does this all without having to bring in anything else as far as expensive DMX controllers. It takes away the need to learn how to use DMX, but it still gives you the power of DMX-like control and functionality. These two options will give you a simplistic way to maximize your Ape Labs lights, look like you have a lighting designer that works for you, and really elevate all of your events. Now, DMX lovers, don't be afraid. We've got you covered too with the Ape Labs CONNECT. So let's say you're using a DMX controller or DMX software and you want to bring your DMX control into the Ape Labs ecosystem. You can do that with the Ape Labs CONNECT. So the lights themselves do not have DMX inputs or outputs, but the Ape Labs CONNECT does. And what that allows you to do is use your DMX controller to input here and then turn the CONNECT into a DMX transmitter. So you'll be able to get a lot of control from your DMX board and actually still control the lights that way. Okay, so we went through all of these reasons. Now, what are some of the benefits of these reasons? By keeping it simple, Ape Labs makes the control options and diving into using their premium products very easy for beginners. So if you're new to lighting, if you've never really had the experience or you're afraid of DMX, Ape Labs lighting allows you to get a premium product and jump right into it using the remote or the control app to get all of the control that you need, look like a pro without having to worry about spending time, spending extra money, learning how to use hard to use sometimes DMX, and buying all those expensive controllers or software. If you're a rental company or you're running teams of DJs and event performers, it's so easy to train people on how to use these lights. Just as easy as it is for you to learn how to use them, you can hand off the app or hand off the remote to somebody else that's never used them before, and very quickly they can dive into it and get everything that they want to do out of the lights just by using the easy to use Ape Labs control options. Another benefit is that this saves you a ton of time, not just in being able to dive right in and getting that DMX level style programming, but when you're setting up, everything is kind of already synced together. So if you're going from one event to the next, your lights are already grouped together, you have your cans on one side, you have your maxis on another side, your neons on another. As soon as you turn them on, they're ready to go, they're synchronized, and that's gonna save you a ton of time in setting up. All right, everybody, so what did you think? Whether you're just getting into this, you're a beginner of lighting, or you've been doing it a while and just looking to elevate your lighting game, Ape Labs makes it simple to use a premium product with software that's designed to keep things simple, make things easy on you, give you every feature that you want and need, and really make your events come to life. We hope you enjoyed this video. We would love to see you back here again, so consider subscribing. Of course, if you have any questions, you can drop them down below, and make sure you're checking out Ape Labs at apelabsusa.com. As I always like to say at the end of these videos, Auf Wiedersehen, everyone. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.